Hi, in this video, I want to show you how to get started with the OpenAI's GPT 4.5 via the OpenAI API. This model was just released in late February 2025, and it is available via ChatGPT for pro users and also for developers. So developers can use it via the API. So OpenAI claims this is their largest and most capable model for improving writing, programming, and solving practical problems. However, this is a very expensive model as compared to other models from OpenAI. So you have seen over here with the 4.5, the input and output tokens compared to the input and output tokens of GPT 4.0 and 4.0 mini is very high. For use cases, you can check the OpenAI website introducing GPT 4.5, and if you scroll down, over here they have different use cases and comparison with different OpenAI models. If I scroll up, over here they compare its world knowledge with other OpenAI models. Accuracy, for example, the higher is better, and you have noticed here it is much higher than GPT 4.0 and the other models. For hallucination, lower is better. So you have seen here it is much lower than GPT 4.0, 0.1 and 0.3 mini. So you can start using the GPT 4.5 model directly from the OpenAI API. However, in this example, we want to access the model via the API by creating an AI agent in Agno. So these are all the installations we have to perform. We first make sure we install OpenAI, the Agno Python framework for building AI agents. Also, we should install the DuckDuckGo Python package in order to get latest and accurate information from the AI agent. Although the GPT 4.5 model was released in late February 2025, over here you have noticed its cutoff knowledge is October 2023. So using the GPT 4.5 model without a tool like the DuckDuckGo Python package, we will not be able to access latest information from the web. So I have already done all these installations. You install the necessary dependencies for building the agent and accessing the OpenAI API. Then we set up a virtual environment in Python and export the OpenAI API key as an environment variable. Next, you can create a Python file in your favorite editor and make all these imports. Over here, we are importing agent from Agno and OpenAI chat. We also import DuckDuckGo tools so that we can access latest information from the web. Next, we create a new agent using the Agno's agent class by specifying these three properties, the model we want to use. Over here, you have noticed we have the GPT 4.5 preview. You can get the name of the GPT 4.5 model from the OpenAI API. So over here, under models, you have seen we have GPT 4.5, and this is the name we specified in the code. Once you specify the name this way, it will point to this version, the version that was released on the 27th of February 2025. So over here, we also specify the tools we want to use. So by giving the agent DuckDuckGo, we are able to access latest and accurate information from the web. Lastly, we will print the agent's response using the print response method and specify the prompt we want to use. So we want to get latest information from the GPT 4.5 model. So since we gave the agent a tool, it is going to search the web for latest information about GPT 4.5. We also specify Markdown as true to get a well-formatted output from the model using Markdown. I will now go to the terminal and run the file. That presents latest news about the 4.5 model nicely in the form of a list. And for each list, we have a link to look for further information. As I told you before, the GPT 4.5 model is very expensive than all the other models. So I will go to the API dashboard and check my usage information. Over here, I will go to the section Spend Categories and change the date to include today. So this is the cost of the API request we just made by running the Python file. So this is the cost of the input token using the GPT 4.5 model and the cost of the output token